Sundays used to be dreadful. Not anymore. And here's one more reason why. Your happiest customers can quietly bring you new ones, even while you rest. Here's the truth. A happy customer is the best marketing you'll ever have. The only problem is asking. It feels awkward or you forget. AI fixes both. Step 1 is timing. The moment to ask is right after something good. A smooth return, a thank you note, a genuine smile. That's when a yes is easy. Step 2. Let Claude write the ask. Write a short, warm review request for a happy car rental customer. Friendly, personal, never pushy, the kind of message people actually answer. Then remove every ounce of friction. Include the exact link right in the message. The easier you make it, the more reviews you'll actually get. Give Claude the customer's name and one detail, and every request feels one-to-one, even when you're sending 100 of them. When a great review comes in, don't let it sit there. Paste it in and say, turn this into a post and a story. Now your happy customer is doing your marketing for you. A review is nice, but a referral is gold. Have Claude draft a warm referral offer. Bring a friend, you both save. Turn one happy customer into two. Then reply to every review, thank the good ones warmly, and handle the tough ones calmly. Claude helps you respond without getting defensive. People notice how you show up. That one-star review isn't the end of the world. A calm, kind, professional reply can win over everyone reading it later. Let Claude help you take the high road. Keep your best reviews together in one place. A project, a doc, anywhere. Now you've got a library of social proof to pull from any time you post. If someone doesn't respond, one gentle nudge is fine. Have Claude write a follow-up that feels friendly, not naggy. Most reviews come from the second ask. Save the whole thing. Drop your review request, your referral offer, and your replies into your project. Next time, the entire system is one click away. And don't overdo it. One well-timed ask beats 5 pushy ones. Pick the genuine moments. You're building goodwill, not spamming. Then spread it. One glowing review can live on your website, your socials, even your email signature. Ask Claude to reshape it for each spot. When you thank a reviewer, invite them along. We share tips on our channel too. Your happiest customers make your best followers. One thing to avoid: never buy or fake reviews. Real, imperfect human stories build more trust than a wall of suspicious 5 stars. Keep it honest. The payoff? Your happiest customers quietly bring in new ones. In the background, on their own. Even on your scary free Sundays. That's a business that grows while you rest. So 5 moves: catch the happy moment, let AI write the ask, make it one tap, turn reviews into content, and always reply. Tomorrow we give your customers answers around the clock. A simple AI helper that works while you sleep. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool. I'll see you then.